I was reading about something absolutely mind-blowing the other day. Did you know that there's a species of fungus called Ophiocordyceps unilateralis, or the zombie ant fungus, that can actually control the behavior of ants? This little fungus infects an ant's brain, makes it climb to a specific height on a plant, and then uses the ant's body to spread its spores. Nature sure can be strange and fascinating. Now, before you wonder why I am talking about zombie ants, let me tell you, there's a powerful lesson here about decision-making and influence that I've learned in my 60 years of life. You see, just like that fungus can influence an ant's behavior, our decisions are often influenced by things we might not even be aware of. Could be social media, advertising, peer pressure, or even our own unconscious biases. We might think we're making completely independent choices. Sometimes we're being steered in certain directions without realizing it. I remember back in '95 when I almost bought a fancy sports car I couldn't afford, simply because my neighbor got one. The spores of keeping up with the Joneses had infected my thinking. Thankfully, my wife helped me see how I was being influenced by others, rather than making a decision based on what was right for our family. The key is to become aware of these influences. Just like scientists studied and understood the zombie ant fungus, we need to study and understand what's affecting our choices. Are we making decisions because they align with our values and goals, or are we being zombified by external pressures? Here's what I've learned about making better decisions. Step back and observe your thoughts. Where are they really coming from? Question your motivations. Are they truly yours? Seek perspective from trusted sources who have your best interests at heart. Take time to think things through. Rushed decisions are often regretted decisions. You see, understanding the origins of our choices helps us make better ones. It's like shining a light on those invisible spores that might be affecting our judgment. And here's the really interesting part. Once you become aware of these influences, you can actually use them positively. Just like scientists are studying the zombie ant fungus for medical applications, we can turn potential negative influences into positive ones by surrounding ourselves with good people, healthy habits, and uplifting information. Remember, folks, awareness is the first step to better decision-making. Don't let yourself become a zombie ant following others blindly. Take control of your choices by understanding what influences them. Well, that's all for today. Until next time, this is Anwar reminding you to stay curious, stay aware, and make those decisions count. Take care, everyone.